guys, welcome back to the other video. We're gonna play Roblox Rivals. And we're gonna play Rivals for today. Because I unlocked gold earlier. And I didn't film, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, boy. Singapore pin is my favorite. And I unlocked the gold on knife, guys. No. I'm lagging right now. FPS is not working. These guys look. Yeah, I have gold on knife. Yeah. Bye.